Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export your team data from your account on DeskTime, for example, to monitor and to track the progress of your team projects and the productivity of each team member, and save that as a report on your device. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the DeskTime app. You can do this through the web version or desktop app if you like, and then guys, once logged in, navigate to exports here on the left hand side, right? So initiate a new data export by clicking into this button and then go through the export period. So let me go, for example, with the last week, or you can go with the current month, it's up to you. And then choose the team members you would like to include or have included in that report. I will go with select all, and then you can go also with data fields here. For example, focus on a specific aspect like projects and tasks. And then go through these elements here, right? For example, time at work, arrival time, and so on and so forth. You can go with these, and yeah, check or uncheck the ones you would like to go with. I will go with projects and tasks, and then you can sort the group data by date range, day, week, or month. And in the final step, guys, you will see the preview here and decide how you would like to download it. For example, in XML format or XLSX or CSV file format. And then, yeah, you can give the exported title if you like, save it as a template, and click into generate to export the data. And you will see the progress here. So as you can see, that report is already ready, and you can download it here. You will see the format, the file size, the export period, and yeah, just how I guided you through this just a moment ago. You can go through your export history here or issue a new data export request here using the method I just showed you. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.